My name is Samantha Oliva, and I'm going to talk about suprasegmental elements of English language. Especially, I'm going to talk about stress, word stress, and sentence stress. What's the meaning of stress? Is one of the most important pronunciation points in English. Stressing means that the speakers of English make certain syllables and words louder, longer, and higher in pitch. Also means to emphasize a sound. Every word in English has just one syllable with the primary stress. You remember that word stress is accent on one syllable within a word. Like word stress, sentence stress can help us to understand spoken English, even rapid spoken English. Sentence stress is what gives English its rhythm or beat. Sentence stress is accent on certain words within a sentence. There are two kinds of words, content words and function words. Content words give us the meaning of the sentence. Content words are usually stressed. For example, how about we go for an ice cream this morning? Function words, they connect the content words together. Function words are usually unstressed. We have rhythm too. It's known as the musicality of English, the ups and downs in the connected speech and the linking of words. Now here I have practical and real class activities. To teach word stress, I would use boxes or circles below each section of the word containing stress, so that the students have that reference and remember that each time they see the circle is where they should stress the most. For example, in the word happiness, I should put a big circle under H and A to show them the stress. Then I will show them 5 words more, and finally they are going to practice, and I will remember them the stress when they are confused. Exercise number 2. Encourage the students to be more independent. So they are going to mark stress in their notebooks. First, I'm going to show them in a dictionary how to identify the stress so they can find it for themselves. They can also underline stress in the dictionary and share with the class how they discover stress in different words. Their classmates could correct them if they are wrong. Here I have another example. To begin the class, I will read to the students a sentence from a text without stressing the content or the words. I will ask the students if they think it sounds good, and they will probably say no. Then I will read the same sentence again, but now with the correct accent pattern. When they see the difference, they will notice that it is very important to read and express themselves with the correct accent. To finish with the activity and upon receiving the explanation and examples given along with the text I read, they will read in pairs another text and the pattern will correct the other one if he or she makes any mistakes. Then the partner who corrected the mistakes will proceed to read his or her part and will be corrected by his or her partner. The last example I proposed is, this activity will begin as follows. I will name the stressed and unstressed syllables by selecting a sentence and reading it on the board. Underlining the stressed syllables with a dash, I will read the sentence aloud, emphasizing the stressed syllables. I will ask students to practice with me. We will again practice example sentences on the board, emphasizing the stress pattern, making the stress syllables stronger and longer and reducing the unstressed syllables. Then each student will go to the board and write their own examples and explain to the class as if they were the teacher. I think this topic is very interesting and important to know. Because that's the correct way of pronouncing a word with the correct stress. Thank you.